Let us introduce the most practical, lightweight, and up-to-date laser alignment devices. These devices come in 3 standard modules. Standard with a 3.5-inch display featuring soft foot and horizontal alignment. Pro, which also includes vertical alignment. Plus, which features a 5-inch display. In the soft foot section, you can view the device settings, including the measurement mode, numeric display precision, selection of 3-point, 4-point, or multi-point measurements. Averaging mode, ideal for cases with foundation vibration. And acceptable tolerance levels, adjustable based on RPM. In this section, distances are entered manually. The device connects wirelessly to the sensors and must be fixed in the 12 o'clock position. Follow the instructions shown on the display to loosen and tighten the motor bolts in the correct sequence. At the end, the device calculates and displays the required shims to eliminate soft foot. You can save the results. This is the automatic PDF output generator without user involvement. In the alignment menu, the device can also recall previously saved models, so there's no need to re-enter values. Here, you can see configuration options such as spacer shaft settings and other settings similar to the soft foot section. Distances are entered here as well. Sensors wirelessly connect to the device. And data collection is done in 3 angular positions. As you can see, the device averages the readings according to your settings. Live alignment results are displayed in real time. At 3 or 9 o'clock positions, adjustments are made for the horizontal plane. At 12 o'clock, adjustments are made for the vertical plane and required shim values. As the base positions are changed, the values update live on the screen. In the horizontal view, results are also shown live. All changes and values are displayed in real time. You can save the results directly as a PDF report. This is the automatic PDF output generator without user involvement. Now let's take a look at the attractive sweep mode. When this option is enabled, the device automatically stores data without manual input once the readings stabilize. As you can see, after 3 measurements, the results are displayed automatically.
LGP Turkey. Experts in proactive maintenance.